Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making quick, easy, delicious Oreo loaded donuts. They're going to be everything you love about that favorite chocolate sandwich cookie in a delicious donut. So let's go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, grab that recipe down below, and get started on some perfected Oreo loaded donuts. So our first step is going to be for our dry ingredients. So let's grab that mixing bowl, and to that we're going to add in our flour, our sugar, our baking powder, and our salt. And then we're going to give those a quick little whisk. And once you have your dry ingredients all whisked together, go ahead and scoot those over to the side. Grab another mixing bowl for our wet ingredients. First up, we're going to add in our milk, our egg, our vanilla, and our vegetable oil. And then back in with a whisk and get those nice and combined. And once those are fully combined, we're going to add in our dry ingredients to our wet. And with our hand mixer on a low speed, we're going to fully incorporate all these ingredients together until we have our delicious donut batter. Now to make it delicious Oreo batter, we're going to add in our last ingredient, crushed chocolate sandwich cookies. And then we're going to blend those in on a low speed with our hand mixer. And once you have your easy, quick Oreo donut batter, we're going to go ahead and fill those into our donut pan. Filling each donut well about halfway full. And once you have your donut pans all filled up, go ahead, toss them in the oven and let bake for a good 10 to 12 minutes. But you definitely won't need more than 12. So our donuts have baked, they've cooled slightly. Now we can go ahead and grab our white chocolate ganache, or if you'd like, you can use some white chocolate melts. Just add them into a heat-proof bowl. Once you have your white chocolate ganache or your white chocolate candy melts all melted and smooth, we're going to go ahead and dip each Oreo donut into the white chocolate. And if you find it easier, like I just did right now, you can go ahead and add that white chocolate to a piping bag and pipe white chocolate onto each donut until they're nice and covered. Then we're going to go ahead and dip each donut into the crushed chocolate sandwich cookie crumbs. And once you have each Oreo donut covered in delicious Oreo cookie crumbs, you will have your perfect, quick, easy, yummy chocolate Oreo donuts. And they're going to be packed with everything that you know and love about those good old favorite cookies of everybody. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you like today's recipe video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm sharing recipes with everybody that everybody likes, everybody enjoys. And while you're down there giving this video a good like, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any yummy, tasty recipes. And while you're down there clicking links, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on the KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway. This way, it'll take you to my blog, you'll see how to enter, you'll get to enter, join in the action, have a little bit of fun, and maybe win a KitchenAid Stand Mixer of your own. And that's all I have for you today. I'm gonna go have a donut or two, have a cup of coffee, enjoy the nice day, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!